Highway Code Rule 7B. Stop just before you get to the curb. Where you can, see if anything is coming. Do not get too close to the traffic. If there's no pavement, keep back from the edge of the road, but make sure you can still see approaching traffic. C. Look all round for traffic and listen. Traffic could come from any direction. Listen as well, because you can sometimes hear traffic before you see it. D. If traffic is coming, let it pass. Look all around again and listen. Do not cross until there is a safe gap in the traffic and you are certain that there is plenty of time. Remember, even if traffic is a long way off, it may be approaching very quickly. E. When it is safe, go straight across the road. Do not run. Keep looking and listening for traffic while you cross. In case there is any traffic you did not see, or in case other traffic appears suddenly, look out for cyclists and motorcyclists travelling between lanes of traffic. Do not walk diagonally across the road.